Hello everybody. Today I'm going to be showing you a run through of your practicing file management assignment. Step 1, we need to make a new folder on our desktop, and we need to call that new folder File Management Practice. Step 2, we now need to open up a Google Doc or a Microsoft Word document, and we need to copy and paste the text we see here into our new document. So the text says, "Welcome to the exciting world of digital media," or as it is sometimes called, multimedia. Multimedia is about communicating electronically, but it also includes an element of creativity. The Digital Media Alliance of Florida perhaps says it best when it defines digital media as the creative convergence of digital arts, science, technology, and business for human expression, communication, social interaction, and education. We're going to take that paragraph and we are going to copy. So we'll right click and hit copy that paragraph there. And then in our Google Doc, we'll make a new blank document. We will paste our paragraph, and then we need to retitle our document. We need to retitle it as your last name, comma, first initial, underscore, text. So in my case, it'll be Malloy, comma, M, underscore, text. Now we need to download this to our desktop as a PDF. The way we're going to do that is go up to File. We're going to go down to Download, and we're going to download it as a PDF document. We have our download that happened down here. If you do not see your file down here, you want to check in your Downloads folder in your File Explorer. What we're going to do is click this file here, and we're going to drag it into our new folder. Step 4, we're going to create a folder within our folder, and we're going to title it .jpegs. So I'm going to open up my folder, and I'm going to right click and go down to New Folder. If for some reason your right click is not working, you can go up to this icon here, and if you click that icon, it will make you a new folder as well. We're going to call this new folder .jpg, S. The reason why we're calling it .jpg, S is those are the types of file formats we're going to be putting inside of this folder. I'm going to leave this window up. I'm going to just make it a little bit smaller and move it off to the side here. I'm going to scroll down to step 5, in which we're going to click these images and drag them to our desktop and rename them image underscore 1, image underscore 2, and image underscore 3. First thing, we're just going to click our image, hold and drag, and drop it into our desktop. So for this image, I'm going to click and rename it image underscore 1.jpg. When I put the .jpg, I'm telling the computer that this is a JPEG file. And now I'm going to do the same thing with the following two images. Once I've renamed my files, I'm going to highlight these And I'm going to click, hold, and drag and put them into my new .jpgs folder. Step 6, we just did. We moved all of our files into our JPEG folder. Now we need to take a screen capture of this file here. So I'm going to resave this. We want to make sure we're saving it as the right file here. So we're going to rename this your last name, comma, first initial, underscore, file management 2. So I'm going to hit my save icon. I'm going to save it as my last name, comma, first initial, underscore, file mgmt underscore 2. I'm doing this one first just because I already have this window open. Now I'm just now realizing that I did not save it to my desktop. So what I'm going to do is open up my documents here. And now I have to find my file. Oh, here it is. Once I found my file, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to leave that on my desktop. Now what I need to do is take a screen capture of my file. So I'll do the same thing. Really pay attention this time that I'm saving it to my desktop. So making sure that I'm saving it to my desktop. And I'm going to save this as my last name, comma, first initial, underscore, file mgmt. Now that I have both of my screenshots, I'm going to submit both of these by clicking and dragging.